Good morning, welcome back to the farm. Today we're going to do a little bit of farm truck maintenance. In this case on our 2019 F-150 Ford pickup truck. The tire warning lights have come on. I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your key on. Just turn it on. And as you can see, we got all kinds of stuff going on. You're going to go over here to the hazard lights and you're going to hit it 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the horn will blow. And it tells you what to do. Train, left front tire. Okay, you always go where the system tells you to go. I'm gonna take the cap off here. And I gotta let some air out. Now pay attention, this is technical. As you heard, the horn blew. Now you stop. Let's check to see where we go next. Go back to the car. And it says, gotta get in. Train right front tire. So here we are, right front, or passenger front, whichever. Gonna do the same thing. Gonna let some air out until the horn blows. Let's go see where we go next. And let me see, it says go to the right rear tire. So let's do that. Okay, here we go, right rear. I'll take the cap off. And we're gonna push on the air stem. And we're gonna wait for the horn to blow. Takes about a minute, take your time. And once again, the horn blows. Okay, where are we going now? Train left rear tire, here we go. Once again, you let the air out till the horn blows. And away we go. Okay, after you have gone through all 4 tires and your horn is beeped all 4 times, it says training complete. That's incorrect. Now you need to fill your tires up to the proper pressure. If you did everything correctly and you stick your head in the door, remember we left our key on, you should see your tire pressures all the way around. Let's look. And apparently we did everything correctly. Keeping your vehicles in top shape is an important thing around the farm. It saves you a lot of money, not to mention downtime. Just a thought. Until next time, see you down at the barn.